Hello guys and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so I have exciting news for you. Everyone has been asking me, post UTME past question. Please help us with post UTME past question. And the ones I've been downloading online, they are not really authentic. I will just pay money and they will just give me anything. Are you getting me? But what I've tried to do now is I have found a publisher that publishes authentic past questions, the booklets. Okay, I have one here, so I got it to check. Can you see this? This is the one for Unilag. I got it to check the authenticity, authenticity of their materials. Okay, so I have gotten all the lists. All right, so I've gotten for Unilag, okay, for UNN, for Uniben, OAU, okay, Uniport, Unizik. Don't worry, I'm going to also look out for Futo, which other school again? For UI. All right, and when I do get the authentic one, the booklet, okay, please be careful with the ones you are seeing online that are just PDF. Don't go and misread, okay, and misprepare. Are you getting me? So these are the authentic ones from the school itself. All right, so these are publishers that got the authentic past questions when students sat for it, and they solve those questions and publish it into a book. All right, so please, if you're preparing, please kindly get this book. All right, I won't even force you or say it again. All right, so please prepare well. Not that you go and read something else. You enter the exam hall, you see something else, especially this OAU. I hope you know how tough OAU post UTME is. Please, if you've not started reading for OAU post UTME, start reading now. All right, start reading what now? Unilag also, you have aptitude test, you have general paper, you have maths. Everybody does the same thing. Come and get it now. All right, so you can order it. We can deliver anywhere in the country, wherever you are in the country, Abuja, whichever state you are, we can deliver. You just see the delivery fees. Okay, each of them costs 7,000 naira per booklet. All right, so come and get yours now. All right, so this is our educational store. You pay through via Paystack. All right, Paystack uses, you can use USSD, you can use your card. Paystack is seamless. All right, so this is it. So do come get your post UTME past questions and start studying. All right, because I've gotten so many. I need this past question, I need this past question, I need this past question. Please, I found someone now with authentic past questions, and it is solved. Not just questions alone, with answer solution. So please do order yours today, and we are going to deliver to you wherever you are. All right, so thank you and see you in our next video. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. And from us, from DTW Tutorials, you can see it here. You are destined to win in your forthcoming post UTME exams and also in life. All right, so please start preparing now. Read wide. Read, when you get into the past questions, you see the particular questions they are giving. Solve more. Go to open your textbook. Sometimes it's even in further maths, project 1. You see some questions they give. Okay, solve more of those. All right, so thank you, and okay, thank you and success. I wish you success. I wish you admission. Yes, after you've sat for your JAM, you've read and post UTME, you will clear it in Jesus' name. And don't forget, if you took WAEC, please make sure you upload your WAEC results on your JAM portal. All right, thank you, and yeah, I think that's all. All right, thank you, and see you in our next video.